Dear students, welcome back to Class 5 English Language class. We are doing the topic adverbs and we have started with the kinds of adverbs. This is video number 6 and by this time we all know what are adverbs. So adverbs are the words which add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. And there are mainly 5 kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree or quantity, and adverb of frequency or number. The first 4 kinds of adverbs we have already done in the previous videos. The adverb of manner, which answers the question how and tells how the action is done. Adverb of place answers the question where and describes where the action is done. Adverb of time answers the question when and tells when the action happens. Adverb of degree or quantity answers the question how much and show to what extent something is. Today we will start with the next kind of adverb, that is adverb of frequency or number. Now what is an adverb of frequency or number? Adverb of frequency or number shows how often or in what order an action is done and answer the question how often. Most of the time they appear directly in front of the main verb, although they may be placed elsewhere in a sentence like all other adverbs. Some of the common adverbs of frequency are always, usually, often, frequently, normally, generally, regularly, occasionally, seldom, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never, and so on. We can relate these adverbs of frequency to percentage. If we have to give the approximate numbers, they can be always would be 100%. For example, if I say I always brush my teeth at night. So here always means 100% without skipping any night. That means every night I brush my teeth. Now opposite of always will be never. Never means 0%. Vegetarians never eat meat. That means not even one. Not even once they eat. They never, 0%. Now, if I say sometimes would be 50%. For example, I sometimes sing in the shower. So here sometimes it approximately refers to 50%. Usually refers to 90%. Normally or generally we can give 80%. Often or frequently 70%. Occasionally 30%. Seldom 10%. Hardly ever or rarely, that means 5%. So this is how we can give approximate numbers to these adverbs of frequency. Now let's see how adverbs of frequency are used in the sentences. Let's see the first one. I always go to the library. Here, go is the verb and always explains how often I go to the library. The answer is always. So always will be considered as an adverb of frequency. Mom frequently shop for groceries on Fridays. Here shop is the verb and frequently explains how often mom shop for groceries. So frequently will be considered as an adverb of frequency. I normally celebrate my birthday at my favorite restaurant. So here how often I celebrate my birthday? Normally. So here celebrate is the verb and normally is the adverb of frequency as it explains the verb celebrate. My brother never travels abroad. Here in this sentence, travels is the verb and never is the adverb of frequency as it describes how often my brother travels abroad. Answer is never. So never is the adverb of frequency. Our father rarely allows us to go to parties alone. Here allows is the verb and rarely is the adverb of frequency and tells how often my father allows us to go to the parties alone. Our teacher occasionally gives group activities. Here occasionally is the adverb of frequency as it tells how often our teacher gives the group activities. Some more examples. My friends usually laugh a lot. Here usually is the adverb of frequency as it answers the question how often they laugh. Usually. I can sometimes hear birds in my backyard. How often I can hear the birds in my backyard? Answer is sometimes. So sometimes is the adverb of frequency. I can never remember his name. How often I remember his name? Never. So never is the adverb of frequency. So this is how we can use the adverbs of frequency in numbers, and we have to remember adverbs of frequency or number shows how often or in what order an action is done, and they answer the question how often. Thank you.